The Icarus Cup is an annual competition where teams from around the world come together to fly pedal-powered aeroplanes. This year's event is being held in Kent, England, and is the third consecutive year that we, the Southampton University Human-Powered Aircraft team, are taking part. We wanted to improve the visibility of the event by live streaming it to the general public.
Problem with mobile streaming is that for every platform we want to broadcast to, we need to make multiple connections over the internet, and that can be really intensive on mobile network connections. We considered more expensive solutions in which we carry around heavy networking gear, but this is impractical, especially when we need all of our ground crew to be very hands-on in a very active environment on netport runways.
AntMedia allows us to improve our approach. We only need to make one connection to an intermediate server, which can then copy the stream to as many platforms as we want, eliminating our bandwidth bottleneck on the airfield.
Thanks to this, we're able to massively improve our visibility and share what it's like to be part of such a unique sporting event. This year was a successful tech demo of our setup, and moving forwards, we'd like to use AntMedia to reach a wider audience over more platforms.